Lincoln BlueCruise enables hands-free highway driving to help make driving more enjoyable and easier, and of course less stressful, whether on a daily commute, in stop-and-go traffic, or on a road trip. Lincoln BlueCruise operates on 97% of controlled access highways in areas called hands-free blue zones across the U.S. and Canada, so you're never too far from a blue zone. To use BlueCruise, you must be in the blue zone, a controlled access highway or freeway with no traffic signals or intersections, and lane lines must be visible. Once in a blue zone, you'll see a pop-up in your cluster letting you know when BlueCruise is available. To engage BlueCruise, simply press the adaptive cruise control button on your steering wheel. You'll see a hands-free icon appear and your screen will turn blue. You can now take your hands off the wheel while keeping your eyes on the road. To cancel BlueCruise, simply press the adaptive cruise control button on your steering wheel or apply the brake. While engaged, BlueCruise will handle accelerating, braking, and steering. However, you must remain alert and ready to re-engage at all times. BlueCruise will also help you change lanes hands-free, utilizing the Lane Change Assist feature. Simply tap your turn signal to initiate a hands-free lane change. BlueCruise will check to make sure the adjacent lane is clear and automatically switch lanes when it is safe to do so. If you're driving behind a slower moving vehicle, BlueCruise will suggest a lane change so you can resume at your desired speed. You can accept the lane change by tapping your turn signal. In-lane repositioning is another feature of BlueCruise, which will reposition your vehicle based on traffic conditions. It can help provide more space within your lane by subtly shifting your vehicle away from vehicles in adjacent lanes. BlueCruise uses an infrared driver-facing camera to monitor your eye gaze and head position to help your eyes stay on the road. If the system detects that you are not paying attention, BlueCruise will issue a series of alerts prompting you to either pay attention or resume control of the vehicle. If conditions are not met, BlueCruise will disengage and you will need to resume control of the vehicle. To enable BlueCruise from the center touchscreen, just navigate to the driver assistance, then cruise control, toggle on adaptive cruise control, then lane centering. Courtesy prompts will automatically activate when adaptive cruise control and lane centering is on. Enjoy driving with hands-free BlueCruise technology. Thank you for watching.